Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
You're about to learn the kind of German that your textbook never taught you. The kind of German you hear in cafes in Berlin, on trains in Munich, at parties in Hamburg, and between close friends every single day. Because here's the truth. If you only learn formal German, native speakers will understand you, but you may still sound distant, stiff, even robotic. But when you understand slang, real casual slang, suddenly conversations feel natural. You stop sounding like a student and start sounding like someone who actually lives there. And today, you're going to learn exactly how Germans really speak with friends, co-workers, classmates, and people they feel comfortable around. So relax, listen carefully, and repeat the phrases out loud with me. Because by the end of this lesson, you'll understand casual German expressions native speakers use every day. Let's begin. Section 1. What's up? One of the first slang expressions you'll hear in Germany is "Was geht?", which in English means "what's up?" or "what's going on?" Native speakers use this constantly with friends. Repeat after me. Was geht? Good. You might also hear "Was geht ab?", which in English means "what's happening?" or literally "what's going down?" Very casual, very common. Example: Hey Lucas, was geht? Which in English means "Hey Lucas, what's up?" Now you try it. Was geht? Excellent. Section 2. Cool. In German slang, there are many ways to say cool. One of the most common is geil, which in English means awesome, cool, or sick. Now, technically, the older meaning of geil was more sexual, but today, especially among younger people, it usually just means something is really great. Example: Das Konzert war geil, which in English means that concert was awesome. Repeat slowly. Das Konzert war geil. Nice. Another casual word for cool is krass, which in English means crazy, wild, or intense. Example: Das ist krass, which in English means that's crazy. You'll hear this everywhere in Germany. Someone tells a shocking story? Krass. Someone buys a new car? Krass. Something unbelievable happens. Krass. Repeat. Krass. Perfect. Section 3. No problem. A super useful casual phrase is kein Ding, which in English means no problem or no big deal. Example: Danke fürs Helfen, which in English means thanks for helping. And the response: kein Ding, which in English means no problem. Repeat the phrase, kein Ding. Very natural. Another variation is alles gut, which in English means all good. Example: Sorry, ich bin spät, which in English means sorry, I'm late. Response: alles gut, which in English means all good. Repeat. Alles gut? Excellent. Section 4. I'm tired. If you spend enough time in Germany, you'll definitely hear Ich bin fix und fertig, which in English means I'm completely exhausted, or I'm dead tired. Example: Nach der Arbeit bin ich fix und fertig, which in English means after work I'm completely exhausted. Repeat slowly. Fix und fertig. Very good. Another casual phrase is Ich bin platt, which in English means I'm wiped out. Repeat. Ich bin platt. Excellent. Section 5. Let's go. German speakers often say Los geht's, which in English means let's go or here we go. Example. Okay, Leute, los geht's, which in English means okay, everyone, let's go. Repeat. Los geht's. Perfect. You may also hear komm schon, which in English means come on. Example. Komm schon, wir sind spät, which in English means come on, we're late. Repeat. Komm schon. Nice. Section 6. I don't care. Now here's a very common casual phrase. Egal, which in English means whatever or I don't care. Example. Pizza oder Burger, which in English means pizza or burgers. Response. Egal, which in English means whatever. Repeat. Egal. Very good. Another expression is mir doch egal, which in English means I seriously don't care. This sounds stronger and slightly more emotional. Repeat carefully. Mir doch egal. Excellent. Section 7. That sucks. A phrase you'll hear often among younger Germans is das nervt, which in English means that's annoying. Example. Der Zug ist schon wieder zu spät, which in English means the train is late again. Response. Das nervt, which in English means that's annoying. Repeat. Das nervt. Great. Another slang expression is das ist mies, which in English means that sucks. Repeat. Das ist mies. Perfect. Section 8. Really? A very important reaction word in German slang is echt, which in English means really. Example. Ich habe morgen frei, which in English means I have tomorrow off. Response. Echt? Which in English means really. Repeat. Echt? Good. Another stronger version is im Ernst, which in English means seriously. Repeat. Im Ernst. Excellent. Section 9. No way. A fun phrase Germans use all the time is auf keinen Fall, which in English means no way or absolutely not. Example. Willst du bei -10 schwimmen? Which in English means, do you want to swim in -10-degree weather? Response. Auf keinen Fall, which in English means no way. Repeat. Auf keinen Fall. Very good. Section 10. Awesome person. Now let's learn a compliment. Du bist korrekt, which in English means you're cool or you're a good person. Among younger Germans, korrekt can describe someone trustworthy, respectful, and likable. Example. Danke für deine Hilfe. Du bist korrekt, which in English means thanks for your help. You're awesome. Repeat. Du bist korrekt. Excellent. Section 11. Chill. One word you'll hear constantly is chillig, which in English means relaxed, laid back, or chill. Example: Die Party war echt chillig, which in English means the party was really chill. Repeat: chillig. Nice. You may also hear entspann dich, which in English means relax. Repeat: entspann dich. Very natural. Section 12. I'm kidding. German speakers often joke very directly, so you may hear war nur Spaß, which in English means just kidding, or literally, it was only a joke. Example: war nur Spaß, entspann dich, which in English means just kidding, relax. Repeat slowly. War nur Spaß. Excellent. Section 13. Fast casual conversation. Now let's hear a short, realistic conversation using several expressions together. Listen carefully. Hey, was geht? Which in English means, hey, what's up? Nicht viel, ich bin nur fix und fertig von der Arbeit. Which in English means, not much, I'm just exhausted from work. Krass, kommst du trotzdem heute Abend? Which in English means, crazy, are you still coming tonight? Klar, die Party wird bestimmt geil. Which in English means, of course, the party will definitely be awesome. Los geht's dann 8. Which in English means, then it starts at 8. Perfekt, which in English means perfect. Now let's hear it one more time, a little more naturally. Hey, was geht? Nicht viel, ich bin nur fix und fertig von der Arbeit. Krass, kommst du trotzdem heute Abend? Klar, die Party wird bestimmt geil. Los geht's dann 8. Perfekt. Excellent work. Section 14. Pronunciation practice. Now repeat these important slang expressions one more time with me. Was geht? What's up? Geil. Awesome. Krass. Crazy. Kein Ding. No problem. Alles gut. All good. Egal. Whatever. Das nervt. That's annoying. Echt? Really? Auf keinen Fall. No way. Du bist korrekt. You're cool. War nur Spaß. Just kidding. Excellent. You're already beginning to understand the rhythm, tone, and energy of real spoken German. And that's exactly how fluency starts. Not from memorizing perfect grammar all day long, but from hearing authentic phrases again and again, until they begin to feel natural. So keep listening carefully, keep repeating out loud, and let these expressions slowly become part of your own German vocabulary. Because the more slang you understand, the more native conversations suddenly open up to you. And in the next round, we'll continue with even more everyday German expressions native speakers use naturally with friends, classmates, co-workers, and people close to them. So stay relaxed, listen closely, and let's keep going.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.